I think it is called उपधातु, धातु और धातु उपधातु, मेटलॉइड। आवर्त सारणी में पहला उपधातु कौन पाया जाता है? Yes, boron is the correct answer. Now my direct question to his group, Gamma. My direct question to Gamma. What is the atomic number of mercury? What is the atomic number of mercury? Are you sure? Or should I pass the question? 81 is not the correct answer. This question will pass to alpha. What is the atomic number? Sorry. Beta?
76.
Beta?
21.
Delta?
78.
No one knows the correct answer. Correct answer is 80. You are very close. This is very easy question. What is the SI unit of amount of substance? Should I pass? Pass question to delta.
Mole.
Is mole the correct answer of SI unit of amount of substance? Other groups? Yes. This is the correct answer of amount of substance. Now first direct question to delta. What is the SI unit of latent heat? What is the SI unit of latent heat? SI unit of latent heat. Not confirm? I'm passing the question. SI unit of latent heat. Yes. SI unit of latent heat.
जूल पर किलोग्राम.
Joule per kilogram. Yes, it is the correct answer of SI unit of latent heat. Now direct question to theta. Who were the first to demonstrate nuclear fission? Who were the first to demonstrate nuclear fission? सबसे पहले न्यूक्लियर फिजन को दिखाने वाले प्रदर्शन करने वाले कौन थे? You have to name the two scientists. Who were the first to demonstrate nuclear fission? Pass. Sorry. Who were the first to demonstrate nuclear fission? एक नाभिक के संलयन होता है, दूसरा नाभिक के विखंडन होता है। तो सबसे पहले कौन दो साइंटिस्ट थे, वैज्ञानिक थे, जो नाभिक के विखंडन को दर्शाए थे, शो किए थे? Should I pass? Pass question to Gamma. Who were the first to demonstrate nuclear fission? Pass is passing. Otto Hahn and Strassman. Yes, Otto Hahn and Strassman is the correct answer. Sir, 5 marks for pass question. Sorry. Actually, this one cannot be explained in Hindi. Caustic potash. Chemical formula of caustic potash. Sorry. Now the past question to Gamma. What is the formula of caustic soda? Sorry, caustic potash. Sorry. What is the chemical formula of caustic potash? Students, are you enjoying? This is virtual helicopter. What is the chemical formula of caustic potash? Sorry.
KOH.
Yes, KOH is the correct answer. This one was the past question. Okay. Now, last direct question to Alpha. Accumulation of which chemical leads to kidney stone? Accumulation of which chemical leads to kidney stones? किस केमिकल्स होने से किडनी में स्टोन हो जाता है?
HCl.
Sorry. Now past question to Gamma. Accumulation of which chemical leads to kidney stones? Are you getting it? Accumulation of which chemical leads to kidney stones? किस केमिकल के एक्यूमुलेशन से किडनी में स्टोन हो जाता है? कैल्शियम? सॉरी.
यूरिया.
Again sorry. Now this time it's your turn, Rita. Should I repeat or do you know the question? Sorry. Correct answer is calcium oxalate. Now that's the end of science and SST round. Now this audio clip is for Alpha.
Facebook dinner. दूसरी रेस में? दूसरी में रॉयल सैल्यूट टू हल्ला गुल्ला।
रॉयल सैल्यूट टू हल्ला गुल्ला, चांसेस अच्छे हैं।
और छठी रेस में?
मंगल।
ठीक है, लेकिन लंबी रेस का घोड़ा नहीं।
क्या?
लंबी रेस में तो ऐसा घोड़ा जीतता है जो पहले पीछे पीछे भागता है, और आधी रेस के बाद जब स्पीड पकड़े तो सबको पीछे छोड़ जाए।
हो गया साहब।
जयचंद, पैसे दो।
हम बुक पॉलिश करते हैं, कोई भीख नहीं मांगता। पैसे उठाकर हाथ में दो।
अरे ठाकुर साहब, सुना आपने?
सुनो जयचंद, इसे पैसे उठा के दे दो।
क्या?
हाँ, इसे पैसे उठा के दे दो।
Now this time, pass for Vita. Yes. Tell the name of the movie. Sorry. Vita.
अमर अकबर अंधनी।
Sorry. Actually, I think you don't watch old movie. That's why I'm here. Now it's time for Delta. Sorry. Gamma. Now, dear audience, did anyone recognize the movie? The name of the movie is Diwar.
मत मिल गुल से मत मिल, बिस्मिल बिस्मिल बुलबुल बिस्मिल। मत मिल गुल से मत मिल, बिस्मिल बिस्मिल बुलबुल बिस्मिल। दिल बुलबुल बुलबुल बिस्मिल। मुश्किल दिल भी मुश्किल होती है, दिल धड़के दिल धड़के दो, दिल धड़के दिल धड़के दो, धड़कने दिल भी।
Not sure, Vita. You have only 30 seconds. Sorry, it is not the correct answer. Pass. Yes, Heather is the correct answer. This time, 5 marks will be given to Delta.
1 घंटे 5 मिनट से तू मेरा वेट कर रही थी ना?
मैं तेरा वेट नहीं कर रही थी।
अच्छा,
जो कल तूने गलती की ना, उसी की क्षमा मांगने आई हूँ।
इधर से?
हाँ, इधर से।
ठीक है।
राउडी राठौर।
Sorry. Yes, again. Correct answer by Delta. Now,
हाँ हाँ, तेरी माँ तो मदर टेरेसा है। खुजली वाली रोटी खिला रही थी।
माँ को लेकर मजाक नहीं करेगा।
छोड़ा, तुम लोग क्या झगड़ा कर रहे हो? भूख लगी है यार, कहीं बाहर जाते हैं खाना खाने।
yes, 3 Idiots is the correct answer. I think Delta Group is very interested in movie. Now, first, direct audio film.
सागर तेजा, मानते हो ना पप्पी भाई का भेजा। अरे लेफ्ट हैंड से जो हार को मैंने साफ किया, राइट हैंड को भी पता नहीं चला। हम लोग हंस क्यों रहे हैं?
फिर से
ये आदमी सांस कम लेता है, भूलता जाता है।
इसकी भूलने की बीमारी से मुझे प्रेशर की बीमारी हो जाएगी।
पॉपी बॉस, हम लोग हंस इसलिए रहे हैं क्योंकि हमने महारानी का हार चोरी किया है। अंडरस्टैंड?
हार क्यों चुरा है?
हाँ, क्योंकि हम लोग चोर हैं।
चोर। हाँ, देखना एक दिन एक नंबर।
Sugama, do you know the answer? Sorry. Anti-clock. So are you ready? Okay, after listening this audio clip, you have to tell the
क्या लेंगे, चाय कॉफी ठंडा?
फिर कभी, आज जरा जल्दी में हूँ। मुझे सिर्फ 2 लोग चाहिए, बिलाल और जावेद अली खान। कहाँ है तौफीक?
एक छोटा सा किस्सा सुनाता हूँ आपको, गौर से सुनिएगा। सन 2008 का बम ब्लास्ट याद है आपको? उसके 2 दिन बाद ही पुलिस यहाँ धमक पड़ी। उनको कहीं से खबर मिल गई थी कि इंडियन मुजाहिदीन के कुछ बच्चों को हमने यहाँ पनाह दे रखी है।
Okay.
Good morning, everybody, and I welcome all the contestants who came here from different schools. I welcome the students of Sister Nivedita English Medium School. I welcome the students of Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, and I also welcome the students of San Francis. So, before starting my quiz, I will first tell you what is the term and conditions for the questions. Okay? This quiz round will be like a rapid fire. There is question and there is no any option. Okay? And there is no passing question. Okay? And each question will carry 10 marks. Is it clear? So our questions consist of from sports and games, national animals. आपको उस कंपनी का नाम बताना है जिन्होंने क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप 1987 का जो क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप हुआ था, इंडिया में हुआ था, इंडिया की कौन सी कंपनी उसको स्पॉन्सर की थी? यू कंफर्म? नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग। सर, गिव देम मार्क्स 0। Now, second question from Beta Group. You have to state the term scoop is associated with. This question is relating to sports and games. So, your question is the term scoop is associated with scoop. You confirm? You are confirm or not? Confirm? Okay. His answer is wrong. Now, ready Theta group? Your question is the term serve is associated with. The term serve is associated with S-E-R-V-E. This term is associated with which games? Volleyball. You confirm? Your answer is wrong. Correct answer is table tennis. The correct answer is table tennis. Now, get ready, Delta group. Your question is, who is the first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? Who is the first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? रन मीन्स रेस। कौन सी महिला है जिन्होंने एशियन गेम्स में 400 मीटर रेस में गोल्ड जीती थी? You confirm? Your answer is correct. Okay, now get ready. Gamma group, your question is, what is the middle name of the world class batsman Sachin Tendulkar? What is the middle name of the world class batsman Sachin Tendulkar? So middle name is confirm. Your answer is correct. Which is the national animal of Russia? Are you confirmed? Okay. Your answer is wrong. Correct answer is beer. Now, this question for Delta Group. What is the national animal of New Zealand? You confirm? I said national animal, not bird. Okay. They are finished. The correct answer is moose. Okay, now this question for Theta Group. What is the national animal of Scotland? What is the national animal of Scotland?
Squirrel.
Are you confirmed? Are you confirmed? Okay. Your answer is wrong. The correct answer is unicorn, and there is also lion. Okay, now my next question for Beta Group. Your question is, what is the currency of Iran? What is the currency of Iran? What is the currency of Iran? Are you confirmed? No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Riyal. Okay, now Rupaya. Yes, this is correct answer. Now this is final round. This is final round. Okay? From Alpha to Gamma.
Pani Rahul.
Name the author of the book, The Diary of a Young Girl. Name the author of the book, The Diary of a Young Girl. Are you confirmed?
Yes.
No, your answer is wrong. Correct answer is Annie Frank. Now, This question for Beta Group. Name the author who has written the book, The Story of My Experiment with Truth. Are you confirmed? Okay. Answer of for Beta Group is correct. Okay, now my next question for Theta Group. Name the author who has written the book Long Walk to Freedom. Long Walk to Freedom.
Subhash Chandra Bose.
No, your answer is incorrect. Correct answer is Nelson Mandela. Now, next group, Delta. Your question is, who invented thermometer? What? No. The answer is wrong. The correct answer is Galileo. Okay. Last question of this round. Who built the first modern motor car? Who built the first modern motor car? Okay. And their answer is correct. Okay, now, this is, are you confirmed? Okay, their answer is correct. Now my next question from Delta Group. The question is, what Benjamin Franklin invented? What Benjamin Franklin invented? These are very easy questions. What Benjamin Franklin invented? You have to answer the answer object, not theory. There is no passing. Okay, you will quit. Okay. Okay, now. Next question from Theta Group. The question is, who invented gunpowder? If you don't know, you can quit. You will quit? Okay. Give them 0 marks. Okay, now, next question for Beta. The question is, who invented dynamite? Are you confirmed? Okay, your answer is correct. Now the last question. What is the capital of Egypt? What is the capital of Egypt? मिस्र की राजधानी क्या है?
कायरा।
Repeat again. Kaira. Okay, your answer is correct. The correct answer is Kaira. Okay, their answer is correct. Okay.
Right? I will ask you some basic questions related to grammar. Right? So, let me start from Alpha. You have to complete this proverb. Okay? English language has lots of proverbs. है ना, बहुत सारा कहावत जो होता है, महावरा कहावत है ना, तो ये इंग्लिश में कहावत है ना, you have to complete that. Okay? Every cloud has dash. Every cloud has dash. Every cloud has dash. Complete करना है इस proverb को. You have to complete this proverb. No pass. Every cloud has a silver lining. Okay. Now question to Beta. Mention one adjective that is also a verb. That is both a verb and adjective. You have to mention one word. Quick. Yeah, smart is the right answer. Smart is there, brave is there, and absent is also there. Absent. Absent is both verb and adjective. Now question to you. Okay, you tell me what is the past form of dig? Dig. Verb dig. What is the past form of the verb dig? Dig. D-I-G-D.
Dug.
Dug is the right answer. There are 8 parts of speech in English grammar, right? Okay. So what part of speech is country? What part of speech is country? Yes, right answer. It is noun, it's common noun. Now, what is the verb form of popular? What is the verb form of popular? Sure? Wrong. Popular, popularize, popularize, popular, popularize. Now, direct question to you, Gama. Tell me the spelling of embarrassment. Embarrassment. Tell the spelling of, you spell out embarrassment. No. No pass. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-M-E-N-T. Embarrassment. You have misspelled the word. Now question to you. Give one synonym of anger. Gussa, anger. Rage. Okay. Marks to delta. Full marks to delta. Now question to you, Tita. A baby kangaroo is known as, think well.
Joy.
Yes, they're right. Joy. Can you tell me the spelling? Right. Now to Beta. Okay. This sentence is erroneous. Incorrect. Right? Grammatically incorrect. You have to
correct it. He is my family member. He is my family member. Correct it. Say the correct sentence. He is my family member. No. He is a member of my family. He is a member of my family. Okay. Now to Alpha. A place, एक जगह का नाम बताना है इंग्लिश में. ओके. A place where sheep are kept. जहाँ भेड़ा सबको रखा जाता है. Place where sheep are kept. Okay. A place where sheep, भेड़ा, sheep are kept. Yes, pen is the right answer. Alpha, full marks to Alpha. So, this is the completion of today's quiz contest. And now, very soon, we will start our next program, that is speech contest for juniors and seniors. Under his or its belt, and runner is Alpha. Runner is Alpha. So welcome them, appreciate them with big applause. Delta 85 and Alpha 50. Thank you very much.
I were the Prime Minister of India. If I were the Prime Minister of India, I make India a strong country. I would try to make Indians the most powerful in the world. I would remove poverty and unemployment from India. I would take steps to the improvement of agriculture. If I were the Prime Minister of India, I would give old age pension and unemployment allowance to the new person. I would set up small scale industries and I set up hospitals everywhere. I would control black marketing and essential commodities. I would establish peace with the neighboring countries. I create an atmosphere of friendship over the country. That's all.
Prajapati.
To deliver this speech, which is, if I were the Prime Minister of India. Yes, we all know, to be the Prime Minister of India, it will be a matter of great pride as me, as I always love and respect my country, because it will be a great responsibility to serving it. I make India a strong country and try to make our Indian forces most powerful in the world. I make education free and I shall be see that there are only good schools and the boys and girls, either they are rich or poor, get the same education. Nothing is impossible. I shall to do my best and to fulfill the dreams of Mahatma Gandhi. So that's all. Thank you, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Jai.
Here's my views on the topic. If I were the Prime Minister of India, what would be you do if you become the Prime Minister of India? What should be your opinion? So, of course, everyone would say that I will clean India. So, let me tell you that I, Shivam Saw, will tell you that what can I do if I were the Prime Minister of India. So, many people think that becoming a Prime Minister is an easy work. So, I want to tell that their thinking is absolutely wrong. And someone has rightly said that you can take Indian out of India, but not India out of an Indian. And absolutely, we Indians are ambitious in many areas. And before starting my main topic, I would like to explain important duty. And now let's begin the main topic. So, what I will do if I will become the Prime Minister of India? So friends, if I get an opportunity to be the Prime Minister of India, then it would be a great thing for me. And my first duty would be to enhance the educational sector. And I would like to provide good education in the government schools, because children are the future of our country, and our country is wholly dependent on children. And if they will get much knowledge, then when they will grow up, they will enhance the technology. And I am telling absolutely that one day our country will become the developed country. But one factor is influencing that due to the increasing in population, our country is not developing. And for that, I would issue some laws which can control the growing population. And my third work would be to help the farmers. As we all know that our Indian farmers suffered a lot to grow wheat, rice, etc. And one considering thing is that the person who has make wine is rich, the person who make tobacco is rich, but the person who grows wheat, rice, etc. for us is poor. So my question is that why he is poor? Let me tell you the answer, that this is because of the negligence of us. We are wasting so much money in taking aircraft from different countries. And I think that the present political leaders of our country not believe in our Indian scientists. They always buy some fighting aircraft such as the Rafale from different countries. And if I would become the Prime Minister of India, then I will not waste that money. I will use that money and I will provide good educational schools. And I will give opportunities to the scientists to show their intelligence. And at last, I would want to say that thank you for giving me a precious chance to express my views on this topic. That's all. Thank you. I am Ankit Satpathy and I am here to tell you the speech about the topic if I were the Prime Minister of India. India, being a democratic country, holds a very important position in the world. It is but natural that every citizen can hope of becoming the Prime Minister of country. I also hope to succeed in that position one day if I happen to outshine other students in studies and then have to manage numerous admirers who will elect me first the Member of Parliament. I shall try my best to become popular among the elected persons so that they could elect me their leader. My first task after becoming the Prime Minister is to choose ministers for my cabinet. I will ensure that technically sound young men also find a place, so their expertise and innovative young minds can be also used for the betterment of country. Corruption in any form is dealt with in the strictest manner, and corrupt persons will be awarded deterrent punishment. At last, I would like to say that ruling a nation is not an easy job. It cannot be done without the active support of people. I shall try my best to educate people in order to eradicate all types of social evils. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. Today, I am here from Standard 5B named Hitesh Sahu. So, we all know that India is an independent country and the representative of the India is Prime Minister. And we all know that our first India independent Prime Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and now at present Narendra Modi. So I am here to give a speech about if I were the Prime Minister of India. India is a country which has promoted unity and diversity. To represent a country like India is really a dream of millennium. To be the Prime Minister of India, which has always been home to almost all of the prominent religions of the world, is no less than achievement one can think of. The Prime Minister of India is a representative of the entire nation and is dedicated its well-being for 5 consecutive years. If I were the Prime Minister of India, I would first of all take an oath to preserve the constitution which governs the whole nation. Thereafter, I would make a solemn promise to protect all those great values which we have inherited from our great ancestors. I would try to eradicate poverty by giving jobs to youth to ensure the prosperity of lakhs of families. I would specifically focus on Indian farmers to improve their productivity by giving modern techniques to their farming. I would strictly ban the child labor, and I would be strictly ban the cutting down of trees, and I would be make a presentations of saving trees and Swachh Bharat India. You just think, if I were the Prime Minister of India, where I should travel like other countries, I would be desperate to corruptions to form a clean society. So, our environment should be clean and we should be healthy. That's all. Thank you and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Idesh. Our next participant is Aanchal Agarwal. Please come.
Our chief guests, sirs, madams, and my dear brothers and sisters. Today, I, Aanchal Agarwal of Standard 6, standing in front of you to tell you something about my speech. And the topic is, if I were the Prime Minister of India. Before starting my speech, I would like to tell some words in front of you. मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिस देश के खेतों में फसलें लहराते हैं। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिस देश के लोग हर त्योहार को मिलजुल के मनाते हैं। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिस देश की सरकार मेरे देश को उज्जवल बनाती है। Yes, it's our country, India, and it will be a golden opportunity for me to become the Prime Minister of India. If I will be the Prime Minister of India, I will take care about main 5 topics. Those are, first, the wrong thinking of the people. Second, the wrong politicians in our country. Then the third is education, poverty and cleanliness. These all are my main 5 topics which I will take care about. First topic is about the wrong politicians. As we know that how does a tree grow? A tree grows from its roots. The politicians like the chief minister, president or any other are the also roots of our country. If they will not do work properly, so how our country will be developed? It is their responsibility also to make the country the best country at all. India is the best country and we have to take the country in the first position also. So they have to also help the country to make the country the best country at all. This was my first topic, and my second topic is about the cleanliness. Cleanliness is very important in our society, in our country. If there is no cleanliness, then not a single people will like to come here. Like for example, why does the people go to the garden? Because the garden is clean, the air is pure, the surroundings is cool, the surroundings is also good. That's why the people used to go there. If the surroundings also not good, so which people will like the country? Which people will like the country, can you tell? That's why the cleanliness is very important at all. And after completing the 2 topics, my third topic is about education. Education is very important in our life. The Saraswati God is the mother of the education. Saraswati God is the mother of the education. There are lots of schools in our country, like our Assyrian schools, Hindi medium school and English medium schools. Education is very important. One thing from education I remember, I want to tell you that in this topic, the topic equality also comes. Do you want to know how? Because some Hindi medium, for example, like here in my right side, some Hindi medium school students are standing, and here some English medium school standing. The English medium schools, not all the school children, some school children, those who don't have mind, they think that I am greater than those students, they are lower than these students, but it is wrong. The topic education is what? The people all have equal mind, equality in those minds. Education is that which gives the right thinking to the people. Education is for to give the right thinking of the people. The people have to go in a correct way, not a wrong way. You have listened about the fake doctors in our society also. Some fake teachers. I'm not talking about all the teachers, but some teachers in our society is now. So it is our responsibility. If I will be the Prime Minister of India, I will take all of them and give the proper education to all of them. After completing my 3 topics, politicians, education and cleanliness, I would like to move on to my 4th topic is about the wrong thinking of the people. As I have told about the equality, the Hindi medium school student and the English medium school student. Now people are thinking that wrong thinking, that I am greater than them, they are lower than me. It is very wrong thinking, all are equal. The earth in which we are living, the India is our home. The people are throwing waste on the road, throwing waste on the water. It is very wrong for all of us. It is our home, so we have to keep it clean and make the equality in all the society. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sir, madam and my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on an energetic topic, if I were a Prime Minister. Pen in my hand, wonder what is all right. Can I become the Prime Minister of India? Well, why not? There are no basic qualifications to become Minister in India. So, as you all know that India got independence in 1947 and China got independence in 1949. But why? There is no comparison between India and China. Why? India is still developing and China have been developed. Because Indian politicians take advantage of democracy. That's why India is still developing and China have been developed. So, if I step short of luck, I become an all-power person. Even for a short period of time, I am going to make the country the best. I am going to change the face of the country. So, after becoming the Prime Minister of India, my first step would be education. As you all know that education is the most powerful weapon which can change your life. So there will be no pass or fail. Everyone who will finish their courses will declare successful. And in every village there will be good schools, good teachers, and there is no discrimination. Every student has a chance to tell. And so in every state literacy rates will be 100%. And the substandard and eloquent teachers will out of the school. There will be no discrimination in the type of education. So the top 10 countries of education list, India will be the best country in the top 10 countries. So my second step would be health. I think that you have heard about a country named the Costa Rica government. You know the Costa Rica government is one of the most healthiest countries of Central America. You know what the government said? The government said that not to waste money in other ways, share money and help the needy persons, those who want to treat themselves. Because if the nation is healthy, then the nation will develop. So like in India, the Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. In the time of elections, he told that in every village there will be good hospitals, good doctors. But why? There are so many village areas, those who have no good hospitals and no good doctors. Because he is not strict, he is not doing his work 110%. But I become an all-powerful person. I will do my work 110%. So, in every village, there will be good hospitals, good doctors, and if any patient has got severe disease, and he is a poor man, and the doctor advises him to do his operation, so the government will help him up to 2-3 lakhs. Because what this movement is only for the poor man, not for the good man who are earning good in the month. So then, India will be a healthy country. Because we have had a condition name, a healthy mind will do his 110% work, but not a sick mind. So, India will be a healthiest nation, and India will be the best nation in the field of health also. So my third point is elections. I shall introduce some drastic changes in the system of elections. No man who is not educated up to the matters conclusion stage will not be allowed to contest elections. Capable men will be encouraged to come forward and join the government. And one most important thing is that the Constitution of India tells that all are equal before the law. But in my opinion, all are not equal before the law. If all are equal before the law, then why the knowledgeable persons are not getting jobs? Because they are general, but they are getting jobs for lower caste. OBC, ST, they are getting 4 marks, but then also they are getting jobs. That's why India is not developing in a faster way. And one of the most things is that due to reservation of seats, the Indian politicians are getting bored. They are getting bored to only win the elections. Their motive is to win the elections, but they are not thinking that I have to develop India, I have to make India the best. But in my rule, the system of reservation seats will be scrapped. So my fourth point is unemployment. As you all know that unemployment is increasing day by day. In the time of BJP it is also increasing. Why? Why it is increasing? But I will decrease it with fiscal policy. You know what is the meaning of fiscal policy? The fiscal policy meaning is that if the company produce more things, they need more workers. Or another thing is that I will base on a companies on a steel plants. Then the people will work there. So unemployment will decrease. The fifth point is the safety of women. Why the women are afraid to walk in the road? Why the women are afraid to do the job? Why? Because by listening and our cases like the Priyanka Reddy case, they should have fear to walk in the road. They should have fear to do job in the companies. But in my rule, the boys, the men have fear to see any woman to do these cases. In 24 hours, there will be patrolling in every city, in every state. And I will develop so much movements that these cases will stop. And the woman is the power that they can do anything. They can do anything. So my sixth point is smoking while and tobacco. Smoking while and tobacco. If the government really wants to ban it, then why the government is not banning the companies to produce these type of cases? But in my rule, in my government, these type of things will be banned. And all of them, you know, when a person to smoke and behind the person behind him is going to do anything, when the smoke is filling the alveoli of the lungs, then he is affected by 70%, and the person who do smoke affected by 50%. So it clearly says that smoking is not killing only one person. Smoking is killing two persons. So that's why smoking and tobacco will be banned. Smoking and tobacco will be stopped in India. So my last point is that the politics. You know, when Rahul Gandhi is telling against Narendra Modi is only thinking that how to answer Rahul Gandhi, how to defeat Rahul Gandhi, but he's not thinking that I have to develop India, I have to make India the best country. So in my government, I will think only the how to become India the best and how I will develop India. So I'm ending my speech only telling my only one word. That's all. Thank you.
To respected principal, chief guests, sirs, ma'ams, and my dear friends, as we all know that today we all gathered here in this very day to celebrate the 27th annual day celebration of our school. And in this way, I have gotten a chance to speak some lines on the topic of if I were the Prime Minister of India. As a citizen of India, I am proud to be an Indian, as India is a democratic country and holds a very important position in the world. In fact, it is the largest democracy in the world. But it's natural that every citizen of a country can thought of becoming the future Prime Minister. I also hope to succeed in this position one day. But if it happens, I have brought many reformation in my country. The first thing I will do is to provide free compulsory education up to the college level, because the poor cannot afford the high education for their children. The education system would be totally changed. Everyone who has completed their studies